So we finally got a day of just cloudy skies, no rain,
Yeah,
and she has me out walking down the dirt road for what? What are we doing?
What?
Where are we going?
We're going to, it's a church today, Sunday. Well, we're just gonna try to find it, but I have already the idea, so hopefully we could. And then it's nice. There's based on the goggles, there was like near park on that, so we could say if we could have a look in the park near that.
Hopefully we have success in finding this place because she looked it all up. So we found it.
Oh yeah, one of the church here. So we have a saying that if it's the first time that you enter a church, so like for a new place for you, so you make a wish.
I think she made a wish. I'm not sure, but she was there thinking for a long time, so I think it was a wish.
Great. Okay, so I'm gonna. It's my church. Oh.
Yeah, the rock and roll church is next to our house. Just didn't cut it for her. Yeah, we can hear them doing their church thing from where we live. They got their drums and they're singing and the loudspeakers going.
We call it El Shaddai. It's there has a bit similarity with Catholic that they are more on like their praising songs are really very like rock and roll. But for us, it's a bit like something like that. But I think El Shaddai and Catholic is a bit, but there's similarity with the two. So I'm happy. I go here every Sunday. I go to the church every Sunday. So I think there's another mosque coming since there's some. Are you okay? It's just 1 hour bus service.
Well, we did arrive like an hour late. This is the last one. So.
That was the last. I was already about to finish when we arrived. So if we were going to attend the ceremony, the mass service, it takes like 1 hour. So I want to figure out where I could light the candle because there was there at the back, but I didn't see anybody and light it, even one candle. So I'm not sure if it's the place.
Well, I guess next time we'll just have to bring a lighter so we can light one there. Because don't you have to light 3 of them, whatever, the tradition?
I usually use paper. It's up to you. Like, but for me, it's my hobby to light like 3 candles. Even when I was like, because every time like I have a big step of my life, and then I have like a big decision like that, I kind of like I kind of wish and pray for that. So I always come light. Like when I was aiming to go for Hong Kong, I was light and I go to like a secret church like that. I call it McLaren. So I always that was like. It was an answered prayer because in 3 months I have an employer, so I just wanted to get that kind of thing.
Alright, so here's what the church looks like.
Yeah, this is called St. Catherine Cathedral. But it's kind of fun.
Yeah, the Americans wouldn't like a whole church so much.
And then they're the great one.
We're in the park across the street from the church.
Yeah.
I understood like 4 words. It was in Visayas, so she understood 10 words.
Yeah, it has been in their own dialect. This is their dialect here is a Bisaya, Cebuano, I think. So, well, I understood some like certain words like the same with my dialect, but the whole content of what the person is really doing is that didn't really understand. So far, the important to me is I know where's the church, so I could able to go there like even like any day, so I could have a rosary or just to kneel down there, just to say a prayer. That's the important to me actually.
Well, I told her she might have to go to the rock and roll church across the road from us to have a church she can understand. But we're standing in front of like a trike fire engine.
Is that a fire engine?
Yeah, that's a fire engine. It's a trike fire engine. It's a 3-wheel fire engine. Check that out. It's got the knobs and everything on it.
Like
Yeah, it's got the water tank and all that on it. That's the first time I've ever seen anything like that. And we got ice cream vendors over there.
You want to try ice cream?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah, let's go. I'll treat you.
Okay, you treat me.
Let me see if I have a money.
Well, I'm sure you know how to reach into my pocket to get money if you need to.
Yeah, it should be my treat.
It was absolutely miserable in that.
You know what? You've been attending our mass in Hong Kong, right?
Yeah.
Well, our church was like it was fully aircon, so it was very comfortable.
Yeah.
So that one, sorry forgive me, Gab, but
It's not your fault. So should we give this guy
I
here?
have here a couple of hundreds.
Hey, ice cream?
So anong flavor kuya yan?
Mango, ube, chocolate.
Oh, so they have chocolates.
All flavor.
I'll try mango.
Which one? Mango?
Yeah, mango.
All mango.
You want mango?
Could have one scoop of mango, one scoop of coffee. How about you? One triple one?
The triple one?
Triple,
No.
like chocolates, mango.
I'll try.
All mango.
Mango and chocolate.
Okay,
Mango and chocolate. Mango and chocolate.
So it's the same price? Parehas ang presyo kuya? Okay. Well, when I was a kid, that is our famous ice cream before, and it was like
Yeah.
that bill. And now, because there are a lot of more, you know, those commercial and modern ice cream now, like selected everything. But this one is, I'm glad that they still have vendor price for it.
I'd rather give to the little guy than do the commercial. That is
also
awesome.
Like the, you know, we have also have the famous the cotton candy. Yeah, you have it. Yes. Just why for this kind of park we have the cotton candy and then ice cream.
That's different, but good.
The whole is good. It's good daw kuya. Kayo ba nagtimpla niyan? Oh, it's him who makes the ice cream. Who made really the ice cream.
Oh, you actually make it.
Yeah.
You give lessons?
Ginawa niyo to? Ginawa niyo? So yeah, this is the typical Sunday afternoon for Filipino here in the park.
Mass ice cream.
Yeah, usually it is.
Thanks.
Salamat.
Wala to, boss?
Okay, pamasahin natin yan mamaya.
Okay.
That's my money, ha?
Ah.
That's my money.
Oh.
So yeah, at least you will experience it.
So, how's your purple ice cream taste?
It's obvious. That's good. That's
Elvis?
good.
Okay. So she got herself some cotton candy. The other Sunday straight to go with ice cream.
Yeah.
When you go to church. And there's the almost Chinese restaurant we ate at.
Just almost.
Yeah. We were gonna eat at the steak place over there, but somebody decided, nah, we want Chinese. Yeah, so you enjoying your Sharky song?
Can you sing me there?
Huh? Come on, get your shark going.
We're at the Boulevard. Gonna dance? Gonna dance? Music dance! Oh, there you go! That's so funny. He's enjoying it now.
it.
Around. Oh, I'm amazed. It's my first time to really ride with Kalisa.
Kalisa.
We call it Kalisa. So they find it.
It's fun. It's enjoyable. I'm a little disappointed that we're not doing it bareback. You know, holding on the mane and galloping down the streets. Yeah, it's a little time. He's going for a stroll finally.
Oh, we can keep it.
And we're going about just as fast as the trikes do, if not faster.
Oh my goodness. No.
Funny. And there's another pizza place. I swear the people here love their pizza.
Yeah.
That ever find myself looking up to the upper hand and loving every minute, baby. Oh my, and then get back as long as I don't mind, oh my. No one just wanna tell me
Barbecue, right? Like a pork.
Yeah. Well, they got the ones on the seaside out there if there's one available. When we walked in. Look, your kiddie play area. Look, you can pick out your dinner.
I do have pork here. Chicken barbecue.
Do I have any avocado here? So she got herself a hollow
I don't
hollow.
like this.
What is that? What are you
I
giving?
don't know what it's
She don't like it, but it's tasty.
called. You put it with ice cream.
I've been demanded to eat my ice cream. All
You
right.
dip it with ice cream.
Yeah, more tasty.
Yeah. The way how to do it is to, because this is an ice crush there.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna have to melt it.
Tasty, tasty, tasty. I wanted my boko shake. Alright, so I got some of our meal. Garlic rice and barbecued pork grilled.
So I just-
and then you got Java rice.
So I just finished my dessert too.
Yeah, so we both had our desserts first.
Mine halo-halo.
Looks like it's cheesy rice. Looks like cheese on there. And you got pork belly.
They grilled it in they called it Yes.
Calamansi?
Yeah. You don't crush the chili. You actually are stingy when it comes to chili.